Amazon plus live streaming plus recommending products that you already love anyway equals commission. Sounds like a pretty good equation to me. But how can you multiply that equation? How can you earn more commissions? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 different ways that you can increase your commissions while streaming on Amazon Live. Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. My name is Monte Weaver, and if you're brand new here, I hope you navigate the world of digital, tech, and social media. So if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way you receive an alert every time I upload a brand new video. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're already live streaming on Amazon. You're already seeing the benefits of how easy it is to actually go live and talk to an audience, and then the excitement when people click on different items in your carousel, and then when you check and see that those are translating into commissions. Being able to earn commissions while live streaming in real time is an awesome concept, and I encourage you to keep going, keep tapping into this platform and keep ranking up on the different levels. That way you get all the benefits of being an Amazon live streamer. But the reality is sometimes when you live stream, you may look and see that that commission is a little low. Now I'm going to help you increase that commission. I'm going to help you raise up the amount of commissions that you're going to earn while streaming on Amazon. I'm going to give you 5 different ways to do this. So if you're ready to get started, hit that thumbs up and let's dive into the 5 different ways that you can increase your commissions while live streaming on Amazon. The first way that you're going to be able to earn more commissions while live streaming on Amazon is to be consistent. You want to look at your calendar. You want to select a day and a time during the week that you can show up on a regular and a consistent basis. This is going to allow you to make sure that you are dedicated to Amazon Live, because this is a great platform, and the more you show up, the more that you can earn. By being consistent, it helps you develop a routine. You can get in the flow, whether that's Monday through Friday, or maybe that's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or maybe you just only have time on the weekends where you can dedicate 2 solid days to live streaming on the platform. Develop a schedule, develop a routine. This is not only great for you, but it's going to be great for your audience, and they're going to appreciate you. As you grow and as you rank up the Amazon Live levels, one of the important factors to consider is how you're growing your audience. Because if you want to reach that A-list status, you need to have 2,000 followers. And the way that you can increase your followers is by being consistent. Letting them know when you're going to show up is an awesome tool just to be able to have more people watch you. And it all comes down to the numbers. The more people that you have watching you, the greater the chance that you're going to have more people clicking on those products and helping you earn more commissions. The second way that you can earn more commissions while live streaming is to promote your live streams. Actually let people know that you are going live on Amazon. And if you're in our Amazon Facebook group, we encourage you to let us know when you're going live. What is your schedule? Post it in the group, right? Now, there are other ways to promote yourself, and I want you to think about all the different social media platforms that you currently use. Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Or maybe you're into audio only apps now like Clubhouse. Let people know when you actually live stream on the platform to encourage them to show up. Again, when you have a consistent schedule and then you let people know when to show up and you actually let them know to show up, your numbers will increase. You will watch and see that your viewers will increase over time and continue to grow, and you will build that audience. But you have to make sure that you let people know. Maybe you have an email list. Send that out on a regular basis and encourage people to show up on your live streams. Promoting your live streams in advance and having people actually there when you get started is much more motivating than seeing nobody there at the beginning. I encourage you, share it. Let people know that you are live streaming on the platform, because this is going to help you earn more commissions. The third way that you can increase your overall commissions on Amazon Live is to stream longer. Amazon recommends that you consider 60-minute live stream broadcasts. And this is something that I actually follow as well, sometimes going even longer. Because the longer you live stream, it allows more people to show up. because not everybody is going to be able to jump on at that exact time. But streaming longer allows more people to see your streams, and as they're on other Amazon live broadcasts, they can trickle over to yours as well. Streaming longer is great because it allows you to talk about more products. It allows you to dive deeper into certain products. Maybe you want to do demos or overall presentations about the different features. Longer live streams allow you to engage more with your audience. You get to learn more about them by utilizing the chat feature, and they get to learn more about you as well, because sometimes I do have the sidebar conversations and just let people know who I am. Live streaming longer allows you to actually build an audience. You don't want to live stream for 5 or 10 minutes. It's just not long enough for people to actually click on the buttons and actually make that purchase. But if you live stream longer, it allows people to look at your product carousel and select different items and put them in their cart, and maybe put multiple items in their cart. This is the third way that you can earn more commissions while live streaming on Amazon. Now, before I get into the final 2 tips, I want you to make sure that you're inside of our Facebook group, our Amazon Live Creators Facebook group. And I'm gonna link below this video to how you can get access to that, because this is a place where we as Amazon Live Creators get to stick together. We get to help promote each other and help each other grow. And if you have questions, this is the best place to post your questions so that you can get answers, because we have over 200 Amazon Live creators and upcoming creators inside of that group. So make sure you check the description and get inside of that group. Now let me give you 2 more ways that you can increase your commissions on Amazon. Now the 4th way that you can increase your commissions is to add more products to your carousel. Now, I've been on some Amazon live streams, and I don't know why creators are only putting 2, 3, 4 products in their product carousel. You're missing opportunity. By adding more products, you allow customers to see more products and give them more options, more chances to click on a product and add it to their cart. At a minimum, I use 15 products in my image carousel. This allows me to speak longer, because if you're trying to live stream for 60 minutes and you only have a couple products to talk about, it's kind of tough. So having more products in your image carousel allows you to be able to speak to more different products. You don't necessarily have to talk about each one in your carousel, but just because they're there, people will see them and click on them. So adding more products is going to be an easy way to increase your commissions. Now, the 5th and final way that I have for you today is to make sure that you're adding no-brainer products to your carousel. So what does that mean? Products that people just click on without even thinking. I want you to think about gift cards. I want you to think about low-cost items, because when people add these items to their cart, now you're eligible to receive commissions on everything else they're going to be adding to their cart. Another strategy that I like to use to earn more commissions is to think about providing options. I talk a lot about tech and gear on my channel, and sometimes it's expensive technology, but other times it's inexpensive technology. And if you give people multiple options, this allows them to select what's best for them. If I only gave high price options, I would reduce my potential customers by 50%. Maybe the products are too much for them to afford at the present time, or maybe that's just outside of their budget. Where on the other end of the spectrum, maybe it's too low cost of an item and they're looking for more of a professional setup. So if I give multiple options in my product carousel, this allows the viewer to pick what's best for them. This allows me to earn more commissions because you have room to add more products. So making sure that you select no-brainer options, giving people the ability to choose what's best for them, low product costs, higher end product costs, this will allow you to earn more commissions while live streaming. Now, those are just 5 different ways that you can earn more commissions while live streaming on Amazon. And I hope you got some value from it. Maybe I missed something. Maybe there is a strategy or a tip that helps you earn more commissions. Make sure you drop that in the comment section of the video. And if you're still brand new to Amazon live streaming, make sure you check out the rest of the videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.